I didn't see you there. I'm Tucker, engineer specialist here at Striem. On today's episode, we'll be focusing on our formula for success. Build quality products, ship them on time, and provide
customer service.
Clearly, I have extensive knowledge on the subject, but let's go to the shop floor and see what the other guys know. I'm here in the shop grilling, talking with some of my Striem team members. Let's discuss quality products. Rusty,
Yes.
what does quality products mean to you?
Well, we usually do a lot of research into what the customer really needs. And we also do a lot of testing to make sure that our products are quality products.
Okay. When did you start losing your hair?
Can we stop?
Hey Caitlin, what do you have for lunch today? What the?
Hey, can we move this along? We got tanks to ship.
Rude, but okay. As Danny mentions, getting our tanks out on time is an important part of our formula. Danny, how important is it for our products to ship on time?
Very important.
When did you decide to grow a ponytail? How important is it for our products to ship on time?
It's very important for our products to ship on time, Tucker. I'm glad you asked. Because if they don't ship on time, then that makes Striem look unreliable. And we want to be reliable to our customers. But more importantly, Tucker, is that we ship before our competitors. And we can get it to our customers sooner than our competitors.
Tucker's tank.
I was told this was a call-in show.
Daniel?
Looks like someone should be reminded of the third part of Striem's formula.
Customer service.
Is important because it's everything that Striem is.
What is damn good customer service?
Damn good customer service is providing an upbeat, positive attitude to our customers when they call and listening to them and what they need.
What did you bring for lunch today? I don't care. Well, that wraps up another episode of Talkin' Tanks with Tucker. Thank you to my fellow Striem team members. Hello? Mom, I'm at work. Yes, I changed my underwear.
Brought to you by Striem Productions.
Do you dress yourself in the morning? How short are you?
6'2".
When did you start losing your hair?
Man.
I have to get this one.